Hard drive upgrade. The Artbook's hard drive is upgradable to the industry standard 2.5-inch IDE hard drive of various capacity. To upgrade, remove the fixed screw on the bottom of the notebook with a coin. Then pull the hard drive module out. Then remove 2 screws on one side and 2 more on the other side to separate the bezel from the module. Then remove the shielding plate from the drive, and finally remove the hard drive connector. Now reconnect the connector onto the new drive and place the shielding plate onto the drive. Then replace the bezel and secure the drive with 2 screws on one side and 2 more on the other side. Now insert the entire module into the notebook and fasten 1 fixed screw with the coin to complete the upgrade.